Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert auto table style to cell in Google Sheets document. So get let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets document. In this video, I will show insert auto table style to cell now. Firstly, install from Google Sheets style table software. Now click for now going to the extension option. Now click for add-ons option. Now click for get add-ons, then wait for end. Now click for a search apps option. Now type from style table style. Now for enter. Now click for a table style, then click for install option. Now select from a Gmail. Now click for continue option, then scroll your mouse. Now click for allow option. Now click for done, then close the object. Now select from a area. Now going to the extension option, then click for a table style. Now click for start. Now working from that, then show table style. Now then it shows style. Now for click, then click for style option. Then you can see now finally add the table style. Now another style. Now for select, then select for style. Now click for style option. Now select from the style. Now click for style. Now for loading. That's it. Then you show insert auto table style cell in Google Sheets document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for